श्रीमङ्गलमूर्ते नमः नमः श्रीगुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः
श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्री मंगलमूर्ते.
So good afternoon. So before I start, let's pray for each one of us, Sri Sai, on whose name this institution is named and without whose blessings we are nowhere. So let's close our eyes and pray for a minute. Sri Sai.
श्री साईनाथाय नमः नमः श्री सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः नमः श्री मंगलमूर्ते नमः नमः श्री गुरुचरणाभ्यां नमो नमः.
During the speeches, children, some of you seniors, my dear seniors, you spoke that it's very hard, tearful eyes for bidding farewell and you will be missing us. Do you realize that it is the reverse? It is we who will be missing you more. Because like monsoon or like weather, it comes in a cycle, it repeats for us. You children come, stay with us, spend time with us, then go to a newer zone and go to a different phase of life. For us, it's the same. We are here to greet another batch. So it is we who will miss you. It is we will be nostalgic about the time spent with you. It is we who will be remembering all those time, particularly me, the amount of time that I have spent with you, the memories that I have, the way you helped me in realizing my dream. Having come from a CA background, having left my profession and establishing this institution was primarily for the purpose that I should be able to create leaders of tomorrow who after 20 years I should be proud of seeing. And today when I see into your eyes, I see my future. I see my dream coming true. I see that you are global ambassadors. Already today I heard that some of you have already made into the top global institution. Sampriti has made into MIT, Tanmay has made into the Georgia Tech, and I'm sure many of you this year will make into the top institutions of the world as well as top institutions of the country. And that's what makes the difference. Children, school life, because I have also passed through these 2 years of my life, 11th and 12th, the most crucial phases of life. You know, Principal Sir told that in the Ghalib's way, I am not a good Hindi orator. So these 2 years are such years will always be imprinted in your memory and it will always come back as flash in your life. What you will always take with you is the gestures, is the qualities that you learned in the school. After the school, the world is different. Once you go into the college, the world will be different. You will get different type of people. You will get young adults. You will face the world which is full of criticality. You will face the world which has a lot of cruelty, lot of the sense of affection, the sense of lawlessness, the sense of passion that probably you'll get in school life will not be there in the college life. It will be different. There will be fierce competition. You have to stand amongst the competition, stand up and make out a place for yourself, make out a place for a career, make out a place for your life and make yourself visible. That's not there in the school. In the school you are yourself visible. There is a huge difference between the school life and the college life. Once Gautama Buddha was sitting there and a child came and wanted to test Gautama Buddha. The child came with a butterfly in the child's hand and he asked Gautama Buddha, "Can you tell what's inside my hand? And can you tell whether I am having a living or a non-living thing inside my hand?" Thinking if Gautama Buddha says that it's a living, then he will crush, not crunch, whatever you say, this butterfly and say that it's dead. And if Gautam Buddha says it's dead, then he will make the butterfly fly and say, no, you are wrong. So he asked Gautam Buddha, what's in my hand? It's living or dead? Gautam Buddha said, the life that is in your hand depends on what you wish. If you want the life to be life, it will be life. If you want the life to be dead, it will be dead. Why I am telling this to you? Like the butterfly in the hands, your life is in your hand. What you will be in your future depends on what you do in coming few days. What you have read, what you have done will all depend what you are going to do in this next 35 days. And that will make what you are going to become in your life as far as board results are concerned. That will also make your life, how your life is going to be, how you are going to be a young lady or a young gentleman, how is going to be your behavior or character will depend on how you are making your life. A teacher, since this is an institution, I am telling you, a teacher did so to the students a new 100 rupee note, 500 rupee note, and asked, children, are you interested to take this 500 rupee note? Every child raised their hand, yes, we want it. Then he crumpled this note. I will not use the word C. He crumpled the note and said, now are you interested to take it? Then everybody said yes. Then he put that 500 rupee note, put some water and started, crossing it in his feet. Then took it up and said, are you interested in taking this 500 rupee note? Then everybody said, yes, we want to take this 500 rupee note. Then he asked, why you want to take this battered, shattered 500 rupee note? Then children said that the 500 rupee note has still its value. Still we can take it and get whatever we want. So that's why we want the 500 rupee note. The battering and shattering doesn't impact anything on the value of this 500 rupee note. Same is each one of you. Even if you are battered, shattered, what is your intrinsic value will never get shattered and battered. Your originality as a pioneer will always come back. And you will always shine like a pioneer. I see the future scientists, I see the future entrepreneurs. I not name today because I know I can spot all those who will be the brightest entrepreneurs of tomorrow. I can say who will be the brightest doctors here, who will be the brightest chartered accountants here, who will be the brightest engineers, scientists. I know the future is here. Each one of you is sparkle. Many of you may become politicians, may become entrepreneurs, may make institutions much bigger than us. And I'll be very proud that day that it is the roots of Sai International School which made you to this stage. Make your life such a way that everybody is proud of your existence. Life will change totally for you. You have seen life in a different way till now. Life will be absolutely different. But what will not change is that you in you. Never impact the you in you. Understand the value of you in you. Then you will be proud of that you inside you. My dear children, I have been talking to you over these last 2 years, and we had various occasions of interacting. I have taught you the clap of happiness. Many things today you would have done for the last time as a pioneer, as a ruling pioneer of the school. You may do certain things as the alumni pioneer, but today, the prayer that I did, maybe the clap of happiness that I'll do, or whatever I am going to do will be for the last time. For you, it will be the last time. For me, it will be the last time. I'll be requesting you to make it. But whenever you remember me, you will remember all these things that I was doing with you. And those will be the reminiscences. And those will be the nostalgic fond memories that will always make you happy. Whenever you listen to the music, you will always be fond of Sai Entrance School. And that's what has been, that is my endeavor. आंखों में महफूज रखना सितारों को. Please repeat. आंखों में, louder यार. आंखों में महफूज रखना सितारों को. अब दूर तलक सिर्फ रात होगी. आंखों में महफूज रखना सितारों को. अब दूर तलक सिर्फ रात होगी. मुसाफिर तुम भी हो, मुसाफिर हम भी हैं. मुसाफिर तुम भी हो, मुसाफिर हम भी हैं. किसी ना किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी. When I started the school with ambition, objective, vision, mission, lot of good words, high sounding words. But when I saw all of your bright eyes and when I looked at all of your brightness, you proved that you are much, much beyond my levels of aspiration. Because your aspirations are at such level. If I am dreaming that, I will touch the moon, you are dreaming that you will create another galaxy. That's the level of aspiration that you have. And that's the mismatch of aspiration. And I am so proud and happy that you are all at that level of aspiration. And that makes us great, and that makes Sai great. ले गए आप इस स्कूल को उस मुकाम पर. ले गए आप इस स्कूल को उस मुकाम पर. गर्व से उठा है हमारा सर. गर्व से उठा है हमारा सर. हम रहे ना रहे अब कल. हम रहे ना रहे अब कल. याद आएंगे आपके साथ बिताए हुए हर पल. Thank you and God bless you. All the best for our ensuing board exam. It's not only your ensuing board exam, it's also my ensuing board exam and our ensuing board exam, because we'll be more tense than you. So I am with you. The school doors are always open. Do call on us for any help that you require. I pray Sri Sai, the entire teacher community prays Sri Sai to bless each one of you to come out, fly with flying colors and create records which no Saineer has created as yet. I feel in this batch somebody will cross the 98.5 mark that the school has. So I am sure one of you will break that 98.5, and let me see who is breaking that record. With that, all the best, and for the last time with this hope, can we all raise our hands for the hope?
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।